Hey foodies, let's prepare one last recipe before Thanksgiving. I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious honey mustard glazed ham. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so today I'll be using a spiral sliced bone-in ham. This is smoked, so it's already cooked. And what I did was remove it from the package. I give it a quick rinse, pat dry. And here you see me adding some apple cider so that, once we bake it in the oven, it won't dry out. So I'm going to cover this and place it in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. While the ham is in the oven, let's prepare our honey mustard glaze. So into a saucepan, I've added 1 stick of butter, some sugar, honey, and we will add some spicy brown mustard and yellow mustard. I will list all my ingredients and measurements in the description box. Now we will add some ground clove because ham isn't ham without clove in it. And I added the packet that came with my ham. Yes, food is way too expensive to be throwing stuff away. So I am using mine. We will add it in here, give it a good stir, and just make sure everything is well combined. If you were having a hard time blending in the mustard, what I did was use my hand blender for this. And there you see this, the glaze is nice and smooth, and everything is well combined. Now you're gonna let this simmer on medium-low heat until it thickens. Once it thickens, you remove it from the heat and set it aside. After about 45 minutes, I took my ham out of the oven and now we will add the glaze. So you want to glaze this generously. Just make sure the glaze gets into all the creases and the crevices and over top. And once we glaze it once, we will place it back into the oven, this time uncovered. I did bump my heat up to 375 so that, the honey and stuff can be caramelized really well. And here you see me adding some skewers because the ham started falling apart. So I added some skewers just to hold it together and place it in the oven. I remove it after 10 minutes and I glaze it again for a second time, place it back into the oven for another 10 minutes, and that's basically it. And here you have it, the most simple but yet delicious honey mustard glazed ham. This is perfect for Thanksgiving, even Christmas. And I hope you guys give the recipe a try. I did save some of my glaze so that I can dip my ham inside of it. And it was so delicious. I can't wait for you all to try the recipe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. Happy Thanksgiving in advance, and enjoy.